Welcome to Dr. Veda YouTube channel. Turkey, rice and veggie mix for dogs. Dr. Veda. The turkey, rice, and veggie mix is a highly nutritious homemade dog food recipe recommended by Dr. Veda. This balanced meal includes lean turkey as a source of protein, rice for carbohydrates, and a variety of vegetables that provide essential vitamins and minerals. Dog owners love this recipe because not only are the ingredients easily accessible and affordable, but it also caters to their dog's specific dietary needs. The turkey, rice, and veggie mix can be customized with additional ingredients to further enhance its nutritional value. It's a flavorful and wholesome option that dogs absolutely adore. By preparing your own dog food, you have better control over the ingredients and can ensure that your pup receives all the necessary nutrients.